Right. So job versus practice. As far as job is concerned, you start earning from day one. Whereas practice is concerned, there is a waiting period. So the choice between job and practice depends upon how you want to look at it. So according to me, okay, if I have financial backup, for example, if you are a boy and your wife is working, or if you are a girl and your husband has a stable income, in that case, there is no harm in getting into practice. The second issue is, so do you have a financial backup? Second, do you have marketing stroke communication abilities? Because honestly, the businesses are flourishing only when you do marketing. It is not that there are clients easily available. Okay. So therefore, one has to have the communication ability, a way to create a network. If that is there, then it is fine. Otherwise, create that ability, then only think of practicing. Now, if you don't have financial backup and if you don't have a marketing and communication ability, it is better to go for a highly paid job. Now, in our society, normally boys are supposed to be the prime earners. So more the challenge for boys to decide between job or practice if there is no financial backup. I mean, arising out of that reason only, many times, many people go into job. Okay. So the concern is, should it be a dilemma between highest paid jobs and starting practice from zero? Well, do you have financial backup? Do you have marketing ability? Go for practice. If not, go for job. Okay. I, in a similar situation, chose going for job. Next. Somebody is asking, Gitika would like to know how to grow in valuations. I mean, how do I get a first good client or valuation to get a good start? Now, if you want to get a first client in valuation, because you are a valuer, I know. First of all, I am saying that the valuation client also comes out of network and references. Okay. So if you have a network and references, you will get the clients. If you don't have, you contact me. I will try to give you the contacts. Okay. So I'll give you the references if you need. But that is, I might give you one client. I will not give you every client. So in that case, what would you do? In that case, what you would do is, in order to get the clients, you will create your own brand. So create own brand. How do you create own brand? As I said, one, have a terrific LinkedIn network. LinkedIn network. Okay, LinkedIn has a limit of 30,000. Have you reached 30,000 connections? If not, ensure that you reach within 3 to 6 months time. Second, start writing articles on valuation. Okay, publish articles. And third, start giving speeches on valuation. Speeches and articles make you competent. They make you competent in the sense that they ensure that your name gets created. So if your name is getting created, then obviously there will be people who will know. I mean, I am getting valuation contract because of the name only. All right. So I hope everybody is on mute, I presume now. So there is no issue. Okay. Then I come to the third question. So I have answered Rahul and I have answered Gitika. If you have any questions on this, beyond this, Rahul, are you clear about my answer, or do you have any further question? Rahul, I'm waiting for 1 minute response from you. All right. In the meantime, Geetika, you also have a response to what I'm saying. Please give it in the chat mode. Okay. All right. I'm waiting for Rahul and Geetika's response. So let them. Okay. Yeah, sir. We'll do that. Okay. Fine. So my response is sufficient. And if your articles are not getting published, tell me. We will write a joint article. Then they will publish because I harass them, so they publish my articles. Okay. Now, having said that, keep a track that every, shall I say, 15 days or 1 week, if you can write an article, nothing like that, especially initially. Like currently, I'm writing an article on how to do a valuation of a company in drone. Okay. So drone company case studies, we are doing that. All right. Then I go to the third question, Rashmi Thakkar Pawar. How do you start practicing with a mix of taxation and financial services? So Rashmi, taxation and financial services, can you start a practice? You can. So how do you start means anything to be started, first thing you need is the client, and the second thing is the client should have which city. Rashmi, you are from which city? So then I can perhaps give you some reference of a client who will demand from you tax as well as financial services. How can we start? Simply jump. If you get a client, start doing it. Okay. So, Rashmi, please advise which city you are from, and is your problem how to get a client, or is your problem how to have a knowledge on how to handle both? You can have only two problems, client and knowledge. Okay. If you have a problem of client, contact me. If you have a problem of knowledge, again contact me. I'll help you with the knowledge. If you need too much of a knowledge, then I'll charge you on commercial basis. But don't worry. You want to start a practice? Do start a practice. Okay. So Rashmi, please reply. Raja, I'll come to your questions later. Okay. I'll come to your questions later. I'll finish first the questions which are asked in advance. All right. Then I get to the Rashmi is not replying. So perhaps Rashmi is not there. If she has any query, she can ask later. Abhay is saying expectation of more than practical insights front. Abhay, your question is not clear, so I am not able to reply. Okay. Then Shrikant, what is the way forward scope for an aged CA who has moved out from job after 20 years? Okay. Now, Shrikantji, this webinar is planned for youngsters who are 0 to 2 years experience and want to do freshers, want to do practice. But people like you, that is, who are in a midlife situation and getting into practice, there is a separate webinar for that. So at the moment, I will not give you full reply, but the partial reply is that what you should do is that create some SME. Create some SME. SME means you should become subject matter expert. Okay. And only focus on that. Don't go for a general GP. Don't be a GP. Like a doctor, they say, I am doing GP. No. Be a specialist. For example, 30 years I worked in industry, and at the age of 53, I decided to come out with my own consulting, and I knew that I can't go into accounts and taxation and audits because I worked in the bigger companies, and now you can't go to small clients. So I said, let me have some specialization. So I went ahead with IFRS, and nowadays I am with valuations. So find out your niche area and become a subject matter expert. For a person who is already 20 years experience, he cannot be doing GP. He cannot be doing GP. So I hope I hope, Mr. Shrikant, I have answered your question. If you want, uh, then we can, you know, discuss it. Please ask the questions in the box, and others who are writing the questions, please note their questions will be taken later. I will take first the questions which are asked to me in advance. Then I go to Ritesh Surana's question. And if any of you, when I'm replying your questions, if you have a query, please write in chat mode. Then I come to the Ritesh Surana, how to broker new clients regularly monthly. Okay. Now, how to broker new clients? I mean, the technique is not different than how any consultant gets the client or any doctor gets the client. No doubt, our profession puts us behind in order that you cannot do canvassing. But at the same time, you should be having a networking in such a way that your name is well known, okay, and you have as many tie-ups as possible. For example, your tie-up should start with your articleship boss itself. He should be able to give you some clients, okay. So relationships and network are the things which one can manage with, okay. MK Gupta ji is my friend. He is, joining my webinar just to hear me out. Want to learn any age bar? I have not understood your question. There is no age bar. There is no age bar. You're always young. Abhijit is asking, please tell me the opportunities for freshers practicing CA in government audit and how to grab it. Government audit, how to grab it. There are MEF panels which are coming up. We have to apply there. And when you apply for the panels, then you get the government audits. Alternatively, you can enter into the areas where the people are not getting into, but you are required. For example, fixed asset verification. In the government audits, they are not getting people for fixed asset verification. So you should jump into that. Okay. Then I get into Pratik Shrikant Deshmane. What opportunities are available in banking sector for CA having less than 3 years experience in practice, since statutory audit required at least 3 years experience? You are absolutely right. Some of the legal parameters or limitations which have been put, we have to overcome them. So in such a case, my advice will be partner with the people who are already 3 years experienced. I do that. For example, one of the Ind-AS quotation, it required a firm with 10 years experience. And I did not have 10 years experience. They wanted 10 partners, which we did not have. Then we found out a Bangalore firm which was having 10 partners. And then we applied on their behalf. So networking, working together is the key to success in the practice. Okay. Then Dave is asking, how to market our services and get references for new client. There, one thing is very clear. We are not supposed to canvas or market as a chartered accountant, at least CA in practice. But if we are having an issue on that, that is how to market services and how to get the references, it is our name we should make popular. मतलब क्या है? खुद को कर बुलंद इतना, बराबर है, खुद को कर बुलंद इतना, तो लोग ही आपको ढूंढते आएंगे. कब ढूंढते आएंगे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आजकल अभी if you go to the Ghansoli area, there are a lot of startups. I presume that you are from Mumbai, and accordingly I am giving example. But are you therefore visible to the Ghansoli clients who want to give the ESOP valuations? If not, you should go there. Then all of you, especially those who have finished 3 years, are you doing the valuation course or not? Then are you familiar with Ind-AS implementations? These are the areas in demand, and there are no people to do it. So therefore, we must observe what is demand-supply equations, and wherever you have the issues, wherever you have the areas where demand is high and supply is less, okay, We should try that. Then I come to Shailendra Singh Rajput. Need to understand new opportunities may get open due to pandemic situation. I mean, pandemic situation opens actually many things. For example, I mean, have we now started something like SaaS consulting? Are we aware of it? SaaS consulting, statistical analysis software. This can be done online. Then, have you done something like where have you imbibed the online audit practices? Okay, so you can cut your cost by that. Then, don't write privately because others should be able to also see it. Okay, write the queries in open. Then Ritu Parna is asking how to get more expertise while in industry because there is much pressure in industry, balancing the work-life balance. How to do work-life balance? Answer is simple. The more technology savvy you are, become techno savvy. Techno savvy and be expert in time management. Are you good at time management? I have published one article on how to do time management by effective usage of mobiles. Okay. I had proved them that how you can serve minimum 2 hours per day by effective way of working. Okay. For example, I hardly like to talk to anybody on phone. Anybody says, can I call you? I say, regarding what? Or he says, regarding this. I say, send me WhatsApp. And I reply the WhatsApp. What is the advantage of replying WhatsApp? You might feel, calling on the phone may quickly resolve the issue. It doesn't happen. Okay. Because if your typing speed is good, your advice on the easy matter is possible. Though Mithilesh Gupta ji, don't write privately. Priya, don't write privately. Please write publicly to me. Okay. And somebody C, don't write with some iPhone name and C name. Put your name directly. Right. So I'm coming to the further questions. So how to do work-life balance, become techno-savvy and learn time management. Those who want, please join the WhatsApp group which is created for this and ensure that you are able to do good time management. And get my article on time management which I have written and published. Okay. For example, never take phone calls. Okay. Only the phone calls we do once, take them. And that too, if they are not profession related, simply check them out. Okay. I sometimes talk very blunt. So time management, one, become techno savvy, become time management expert, and ensure that you are able to deal multitasking. Can we do multitasking? That is also very important. Then do we have an art of delegation? Anything which can be delegated, delegate. Then, so that is the question of Ritu Parada. Then Vaidehi, please ask questions in the chat box. So let's okay. Now I'll go to the chat box and answer the questions. So I am going to the first question in the chat box, and the privately asked question will not be replied. Okay. So Rashmi is not there. Raja Jethani. Okay, Raja Jethani's query. No, I think I'm seeing some more queries here. Okay. What if the practice not succeed for 2-3 years? Then it is better to switch to a job. Actually, to know that practice will not succeed doesn't require 2-3 years. If anybody wants to know whether his practice will succeed or not, he should contact me. I will ask him 20 relevant questions and then can judge and tell him whether his practice will succeed or not. Because his communication skills, his networking skills, his LinkedIn connection, his style of thinking, his rapport with the people can easily be judged. So why 2 3 years? And 2 3 years don't create a liability. I remember there was a CS called Jaya Sharma. She asked me in 2009 whether she should do a CS practice. I said go ahead. Then she said, how do I get to office? How do I start paying rent? I said don't do that. Start from home. And today she's one of the very successful company secretaries. All right. Who to get client? I think you mean how to get client. Okay. How to get client? Networking, reference, publish article, start giving speeches, make your own brand. Then some 9835189. I just don't like this. You should write your name. How to deal with the tough competition and undercutting in a small town to establish new practice. I mean, very simple. If you are in a small town, one question is, I answered this question in 3 ways. One, there is internet. So geography is not an issue nowadays. So why do you say that your market is only your town? You expand your market beyond your town. Okay. So don't bother about that. Don't say this is my boundary. Say your boundary is the whole world. Okay. Contact Gulf companies via internet and tell them I am taking the jobs of what? Outsource accounting jobs and outsource VAT jobs. There are people from Dubai who are giving the jobs in Nasik. So don't bother about competition. Make competition irrelevant. If you have read the book called Blue Ocean Strategy, then you will know how to make competition irrelevant. Then undercutting. You see, undercutting happens in some income tax return filing and chindi jobs like GST and all. So don't spend your time in undercutting. Make your specialization. Nowadays, people are more concerned with value addition, business partnership than compliance. Can we start specialization from day one? Preferably no. Because when you have to establish the business, you have to have a one-stop shop. At the most, what you do is you create some associates or partners and get the job from them, but become the front runner of marketing arm. Then only the position of control will remain with you. Is practice can be started along with job? No. Practice cannot be started along with job. You will be doing injustice to both and you will not do either thing properly. Okay. If you want to get into practice, just simply quit the job. Of course, it depends upon what age you are, etc. Some people have written privately the questions, therefore there are problems. Hello, sir. Can you give me more examples like fixed asset verification? Yes, I can give more examples also. Like fixed asset verification, there are areas where people are giving forensic audit, okay, or SOPs, standard operating procedures creation, or accounting manual creation, or people are giving the job for framing the stock option scheme, or there are people who are saying that make zero-based budgeting for us, or there are people who are saying that help us to do frame a financial strategy. So there are many areas. Then Mithilesh is writing, sir, I am working in a PSU, but I want to start practice, but due to non-availability of financial backup, not to, how can I start? What is your age, Mithilesh? It matters. What is your age? If your age is below 30, then take a jump even if there is no financial backup. But if you are above 30, I would better recommend you not to jump into practice. Okay. Either you progress in PSU or move to private sector and get better jobs, highly paid jobs. Priya is asking me, is it right time to start practice during pandemic for a fresher? See, during pandemic, if you are not starting the practice, what else are you going to do? What else are you going to do? During pandemic, what are you going to do? Are you going to search a job? What are your choices? See, at any point of time, don't ask a question whether you should do something or not. You should say, I have these 2, 3, 4 options. So Priya, tell me what are the options with you? Okay, Priya should tell me options. What are options to Priya? Okay. Then I would go forward. Good of questions. I'm happy to reply them. Okay. Please tell me which new practice areas in these areas and future. I said that future lies in valuation, future lies in forensic audit, future line is index, future lies in mergers acquisition, future lies in external commercial borrowings, future lies in listing on foreign stock exchanges, future lies in ABCDR, artificial intelligence, drone, robotics. Okay, but start with jump into valuation. Okay, valuation. Then Anupam Wad, how to resolve the dilemma between what work we get and what work we want to do. I'm good at internal audit, but work that I get is nowhere close to internal audit. Arey yaar, Anupam, you may be at anything, but if you are in practice, take what you get. Don't bother about it. And whatever you get, you don't like it, then get it done from juniors. And spend your time in marketing to get what you would like to do. Okay. And you being in internal audit, great. Can I see some of your articles published on internal audit? Have I heard you on any of the speeches, on lectures, any blogs on internal audit? If you are saying no, then you are not good at internal audit because you are not made a brand name in internal audit. Okay. iPhone, I have given you the example already on fixed verification. Mithilesh Gupta ji is saying I am working in PSU. We already talked. Raja Jethani, time period within which we should at least get break even. What is break even? If you are operating from home, there is no expenditure. Article clerks are available, I'm sorry to say, but at very nominal stipend. So what is your expenditure at all? So even the one client is also break even. Raja Jethani, if you are thinking of having a posh office and client will visit you, those days have gone. You have to go to the clients. And what you do is, I don't know from which city you are, take a club membership. And if at all any hi-fi client is coming, take him to club for a lunch. If he wants to visit your office. Tell him I love to have it in club. I do that myself. I don't have a great office. I stay in Chunamatti. My office is in Chunamatti in a dilapidated building. Sir, how to start and grow practice if one has articleship experience in one specific area for bank audit and very little experience in taxes? Simple. Start practice, start marketing, get the clients, and tell your friends, please do this for me on an associate basis. But don't lose a client. Don't lose a client. How to get money out of client? Many clients do not pay in time. Now, you see, the only way to get money out of clients is keep on increasing clients. So 5 to 10% clients, if they are defaulting, you can't help. Okay, you'll have to remain with that. And then, well, we are currently the situation is that you are not in a demanding position. Can you tell the client, I want advance money? You cannot. So persuasion is the only method. But the best way is the clients who are not paying, the bottom 10% clients every year should throw them out, should refuse to do their job. But to throw out the bottom 10% clients, you must add up your client. You must add up your client more. Vishal Thakur, don't write private, don't like that. You have experience in audit of listed companies. Now I have started audit of my own practice. Being a small firm, how do I get index clients? I mean, getting index clients is not easy because if you are done audit of listed companies, you are with a big firm. Now, when you start your own practice, if you are going to get the index clients, most of the index clients go to the big firms at least. So you'll have to be a partner in a big firm. So as a small firm, you may not get Ind-AS clients. So that is part of life. Okay. So don't worry about it, even if you don't get Ind-AS clients. But if you want Ind-AS clients, I will ask you the same question. How many articles you have published on Ind-AS? How many lectures you have given on Ind-AS? If you're not made your brand. If you're not made your brand, don't expect a small person. It's a David and Goliath story. A small person can win the battle provided he is agile. He should be known. Vishal Thakur. Hello, I have experience in, I think I have answered you. Can you mentor me and find correct area for me? I will develop in that area. I've been working last 2 years, but I'm not satisfied. I want to create a roadmap. Okay. First, anybody wants to get mentored? Yes, I have started mentoring the youngsters. In fact, my website newly registered is mentoringfinance.com. Now the question is that if you're not satisfied, then you first write down to me on WhatsApp why you are not satisfied. Okay. Because being dissatisfied can be only a state of mind many times. Okay. Shall we do a part-time job and part-time practice which is not valid but doing the job at the relative like? I mean, according to me, if you are in a job, you should give such a best of yours that the job people should promote you every year. I don't believe in this theory of part-time job and part-time practice. Okay. Sir, how to resolve dilemma between what work we get and what we want to do? I have replied this. Okay. Sir, as you said, compliance isn't a good area. No, I didn't say that. I didn't say compliance isn't a good area. Somebody said that there is an undercutting going on and that mainly happens in compliance. That is what I've seen. Okay. So I am very much saying that if you are good at compliance, do compliance. If you can get the clients in compliance, compliance is fine. But if you want to have an area where people should come to you, then you should run behind people. Then people are looking for value addition than compliance. Okay. Priya, I hope I am answering your question. Next question is, please tell us which new practice area in this area in future. I told you online audit. Okay. What are the options, Priya? Okay. What is the scope for international taxation? International taxation scope, I had asked many people how much is there. They said, have you done the articleship in international taxation? Then only there is a scope. Otherwise, simply forget the scope. I had tried to help one CA called Mehta, and I couldn't get him any hope neither in a job nor in practice any international taxation. I went to Suripto Parekh, Rashmin Sangvi, and TP Ostawalji, and I told them, can you take some of my GMCA students who want to get into international taxation? They said, no, we are not a training organization. So the only hope to do international taxation is, have you done your articleship? Otherwise, go and join Bansi Mehta, work for 3 years without taking any money or taking some 10,000 rupees. But how many years you will do articleship? So forget international taxation. Is it possible to get revenue audit, stock audit from banks having experience less than 3 years, and how it will be possible for sole proprietor partnership or not having more than 3 years experience? Tie up with the party who has 3 years experience. That is the way people are going about. I shall start working writing articles as suggested by you. Very good, Anupam. I'm happy. Raja is saying yes. Kinjal. Sir, if you come from a small size firm, then how will your principal be able to help you in getting clients? He will not help you in getting clients. But if he is doing the audit and the client says, I want accountant also, then he will say, okay, Kinjal, can you take up their accounts? So he will give subsidiary areas to you. He is not going to give you the client. That is for sure. Why should he give the client? There is no reason. But you should say, sir, you are focusing on audit, let me focus on accounts. So that, and be happy to share with him your thoughts. Okay. Manish Bara, give some tips on how to do marketing in practice, except through references. I said that. Write articles, give speeches. Write articles, give speeches. have a lot of WhatsApp groups, present yourself in terms of what you can do. Keep a watch on the referrals coming. I am having 19, including CA article and semi-qualified under me. There's nobody like under word you should avoid. Okay, colleagues, always say colleagues. But it's sole proprietorship for 4 years. I wish to add partner, but how can I find partner? Or what kind of quality should I find in partner? I get the new work regularly, but reach the situation as there are multiple things when you can own and practice. What is he saying? When the partner reaches where there are multiple things when you own a practice. There are many people who want the clients and want the job, whereas you have ample jobs. So all the other people in this group, I'll tell them, please contact Nainit. He needs partners. And you are the people who don't have jobs. So Nainit, there are at least 10 people who are looking for partner. So they will be happy to become your partner. Now, how you should choose a partner? Do your SWOT analysis. Where you are weak at, get a partner who is strong at. Simple. SWOT analysis. And if you want my help to SWOT analysis, you do your own SWOT analysis and send it to me. Can switching to practice from job in this pandemic area? अरे यार पैंडेमिक क्या है? आजकल लोगों को जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है तो फोर्सफुली शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं प्रैक्टिस में. क्या करें? बराबर. But if you are saying that the job is not forcing you to get out, then don't switch the job, because this is not the period to shift to practice. Because in the pandemic area, nobody is paying money, nobody has money to pay. So your practice cannot start with a flourishing. So wherever you are, stay there. Okay. Is there a scope for Indes in Nasik city? Yes. At least 2 students are doing Indes in Nasik city. How to contact Gulf companies and international audits? I mean, international audits, I don't know. But international outsourcing of work, quite possible. Do a tie-up with the people who are in Gulf. Contact the chairman of Oman branch, Qatar branch, Dubai branch. Ask them, send them your visiting card, create network. You must be going out of India for some pleasure trips. Do one pleasure trip to Dubai also. Of course, currently nothing can be done. But how to contact Gulf companies? Yes, develop the network and partners. Is there any opportunities available in relation to mutual fund and share market, such as getting franchise on Edelweiss and Motilal Oswal, so that we also consult our clients for investment? This is a difficult question actually, because I am an independent director on LIC mutual fund, and getting a franchisee requires some kind of a track record or some kind of a business showing. So make your business model, send me a PPT, then I'll check with our marketing guys whether you can be a best fit. Okay. Then Priya is saying, thank you. Oh, have I reached the end of the questions? Are you from Bhopal? No, I am in Mumbai. Gaurav Agrawal, I'm in Mumbai. I had hardly been to Bhopal. I had only gone once to Bhopal. I am from Mumbai. Born in Pune, brought up in Nasik, and shifted to Mumbai finally. For some years, I was in Surat. Any more questions, please ask. We have another 10 minutes. Yeah, we have another 10 minutes. Anybody wants to ask a question, please feel free to ask. Okay. So, talking about generally how the freshers should start practice, there are few tips I'm giving. Tip number 1, be a one-stop shop. Don't say, I don't do this, I don't do this. You can't start your practice by saying, I don't do this. Second, as I said, write articles and give speeches and create network. Next thing is, take any job, take any assignment. Unless it is illegal, do any assignment you get. Don't be afraid. If you have a knowledge problem, contact me. I will help you. Next point is, Don't harp to the client on compliance. Harp to the client that because of this compliance, how your business benefits. Then use your contacts, because if your boss is there, then he should be available to you as a contact. Some of the people say, oh my God, I did articleship with him, जिंदगी में अभी उसका मुंह नहीं दिखूंगा. ऐसा मत कीजिए, ऐसा करके कुछ नहीं होता है. I also used to have a lot of fight with some of the people, but over a period of time, I realized that you should be like Modi, no fights. Okay, right. Okay, what is he saying? How can we contact or connect you? WhatsApp. Contact me on WhatsApp number 9167446744. How to start reading for valuation on ABCDRI? Start with, have you attended my webinar on 1st May? If not, go to my YouTube channel rammohanbhave.com and see the first recordings. Okay. Then how can we get our colleagues to come together to scale up? How to convince them for mutual benefits? Then it depends on our approach. And if there are some people who are not getting convinced, you better tell them that you either your style is wrong or they are not. Find somebody else. Post qualification courses which should be useful in practice. Currently hot valuation plus IFRS. Okay. Apart from that, forensic audit. 3 courses currently. Is it good to engage as an independent director in companies so that we can have at least fixed income? Why not? You should, but take care of corporate governance standards. We have to be very, very careful on that. Okay. Independent director hona bilkul acha hai, no issues. But at the same time, more than your income, you should ensure that your structure is maintained. Yes, any other questions? All right. It appears to me that there are no further questions. Okay, what type of experience we require to become an independent director, or how to go about becoming an independent director? First is there is ID exam now. So have you passed the independent director exam? That is something your first test. Till then you can't go further. And after that, can you have some structure created? How to keep oneself motivated during all the time? Gaurav, we do get demotivated by many things. I also get demotivated. But the one important thing is, do we have ability to bounce back? At any point of time you get demotivated, write down, how can I bounce back again? How to recover fees from client in time? Tough question. Everybody is crying on this. Dilemma between highest paid job, I already replied, Rahul. I think you were late. I compared it. I told that if you need you have a financial backup and you have ability to do network, then practice. If not, highest paid job is always better. I had gone for highest paid job. Yes. Any other questions? Keeping yourself motivated, start swimming. I do swimming. That's why I'm motivated. Yes. Anybody else? After qualifying ID exam, what abilities do we need to become independent director? Good communication skills, ability to remain firm to your point, and are you in a position to sort of to an extent, an independent director is a leader also. So he should be able to put his foot down to provide his independent opinion. Yes. Do ask queries. How to develop good communication skills? Simple. Start giving speech every day in front of mirror. Then you find out your father, mother who are able to listen to you, who are ready. One day they will get bored. Then try with your brothers, sisters. They will get bored. Then try with your friends. Don't try with your girlfriend because she will leave you. Then try in front of mirror. And if not anything else, call me up. Kinjal Jain, how to get a required recognition after giving ID exam? See, after passing ID exam. So after passing ID exam, if somebody has a good stretcher, then I can help him to find out ID positions. Then iPhone is thanking me. Who is iPhone? I don't know. Tell your name, please. iPhone. All right. So I have started my practice in October 19th. So which way I should start marketing to get more clients? Bhagyashri, you must have joined late. I said that publish articles, give speeches, and make a point that you are good at networking. Benefits of ID exam. Now that is a precondition. Forget benefit. If you want to become a director, you have to give independent directors exam. Kinjal Jain, if you're facing any problem, do contact me on WhatsApp. Okay. Because you are saying that you have a challenge or something. What is Kinjal asking? Mr. Kinjal, you are saying what? How to get required recognition after ID exam? I will help you because we are now having a tie-up called Mentor My Board. Okay, Divya started it, and there we are training the directors in terms of how to create their structure. So you please write to me how to become, how to create a structure of a person who can really be independent director with his abilities. Right? Yes. Who is next? Okay. Who is C? C, I don't know. C, please write your name. Otherwise, I won't know who is finding the session wonderful. All right. Akshay, thanks. We are already nearing 7:30 and the short sessions are always good than having any long sessions. Tomorrow we'll have one more session and do help do help by spreading the word, and sure you will need any help, always WhatsApp to me. The recording of this session will be available on YouTube channel rammohanbhave.com, and please contact my office people for that. In case anyone seeking association can reach out to me. Yeah, here is Nainit Saula. He is available as well. Nainit Saula, you are from which city? That will help others to know. Nainit Saula, you are from which city? Mumbai. Okay. Then there should be many. Arrange more sessions for freshers on different aspects. Yes, I am holding 9 webinars totally, or 8 webinars, of which this is second. Okay. Yesterday we held a webinar on how to get a good job for freshers. And the other subjects, some of my office colleagues will help you. Nainit Saula, please send me also a WhatsApp so that we can. Next session topic, I would not know. Vaidehi, are you able to tell the topic for tomorrow? I'll have to check up. Let me see. We'll declare in the WhatsApp group. Don't leave the WhatsApp groups. Let me see whether I can find out. Yes. Any other question? No? All right. Thank you. So we are closing. I'll start backwards, counting 10, 9, 8. Tomorrow's webinar, she has written how to be a star performance in the industry for a CA. Stand 6:30 to 7:30. All right. Pratik, we will declare one by one only, not at a time. Link will be shared tonight or tomorrow morning. Link will be shared tonight or tomorrow morning because we have huge webinars going on. So if you are in that WhatsApp group, it will be published there. All right. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye. 0.